Okay, so I'm gonna take them away.
Because it was crushed.
Okay, so just very carefully. No, you don't need the smoke. Okay, just set them.
You haven't bitten me yet, so.
Yeah, just you want your inner cover.
All right, so this guy.
Yep, that guy. Okay, and you want notch up. No, inner cover. That's okay. Notch up and to the front. Now I'm going to chase it. When you put it down, kind of put it down slow and wiggle it. And any bees, well, any bees that are there, when you touch them, they should run away. So that's the way you try and avoid crushing. You get a lot of bees. Look at them all there. Yeah, so you're good. Okay, so now you can put your cover on. You're good to go.
And these guys will all find their way in here, supposedly, right?
Yeah. In fact, you'll see it in a minute. Let's get this set up first.
I'm a psychologist.
Yep. Yep, good.
So she's bringing the sugar water.
Yep. Okay. Now, if you want to come here for 1 second, look at this. See this bee right here? Oh, it was doing it a minute ago. It's not doing it. It'll stick its butt in the air and it'll fan. And they'll probably be doing it down near the front. Are there any bees?
There's one bee that just came out.
Okay. And what they'll do is they're sending out a pheromone that will call the bees to the hive. Tell them, this is your hive.